Hello again, John Clark here. We're doing a bunch of videos today, and thought I would do one about some of the unusual things that we treat here in the clinic. Chiropractors are known for back pain treatment, neck pain, shoulder pain, hip pain. Those are the foundational things, kind of like a dentist treating a cavity. But there are a lot of other things that we do treat. In addition to that, also the two chiropractors, myself and Dr. Milanov, we both do acupuncture, and acupuncture opens up a whole new realm of possibility for treating an incredible number of things, actually. So in no particular order, I wanted to go through some of those unusual things that we do take care of. So starting with dizziness. Okay, dizziness often is from an imbalance in the neck muscles, in particular a muscle here called the sternocleidomastoid. So about 2 weeks ago I had a patient come in with dizziness, and we've been fixing her. She's all better now with that dizziness, and in her case it was a imbalance. With acupuncture, hot flashes is a big one. Most women assume, okay, well, when they hit menopause, it's inevitable that for a number of years they're going to have to suffer with that. They don't think there's a solution, but actually there is. And never does someone come in asking for a solution for that, but usually they're in for something else, and we get talking about hot flashes. And just yesterday I had a patient in, we did the protocol for her, and no more hot flashes. She's doing really well with her treatment, and I've helped probably 100 other women with hot flashes. So if you know someone who has it, they don't have to suffer. Send them in, we can fix it. Sleep disturbances, so sleepwalking, insomnia, of course, teeth grinding, okay? Sometimes people come in with jaw pain, and my philosophy is always, whenever possible, treat the cause. Well, if they have a sore jaw from teeth grinding, if I fix the jaw, it's going to be only temporary if they keep grinding their teeth. Well, how do you fix that if they're asleep? They don't realize they're doing it. Well, as it turns out, there is a protocol with acupuncture, and I've had great success with it, to treat teeth grinding, okay? Obsessive compulsive disorder. I had a patient once who was a nail biter. This is actually interesting because it talks about the placebo effect. Some of the critics of acupuncture will say, oh, it's just the placebo effect. Well, this fellow came in for middle back pain. We did acupuncture there to treat pain in the muscles. And the next day he came back and he said, hey, what did you do for my teeth grinding, or my nail biting, sorry. And it was amazing because I didn't know he was a nail biter. He didn't know acupuncture could help that. I actually did it for muscle pain, which helped that too. But lo and behold, his nail biting went away. So it just shows you that it's not a placebo effect, and also illustrates some of the unusual things that we can use acupuncture for. Allergies. A lot of people have allergies and they just reach for the Reactin or some other medication. That only treats the effect, okay? It treats the symptoms of allergies. With acupuncture, we can treat the underlying problem, which is your body overreacting to a benign substance. I had a patient, it was about 3 years ago, 68-year-old guy. He's had allergies his whole life. Worse in the summer, but all year round he has allergies. We did 6 or 7 treatments with acupuncture. Problem solved. He was in a couple months ago for an unrelated issue. His allergies are still gone, even though he had it for a lifetime. He no longer has allergies. Trigeminal neuralgia, which is a face pain issue. Abdominal issues. There should be a video on the screen that you see all about my abdominal technique for irritable bowel syndrome, indigestion, heartburn, acid reflux. You can take medication to cover up the symptoms. That doesn't treat the cause. The technique that I do for the admin actually does reset the reflexes, therefore it treats the cause, and you no longer need the medication. So there's just a little sample of some of the unusual things that we can treat with a combination of hands-on techniques or acupuncture. So if you have an unusual problem that you want to get rid of, a chronic issue, just ask us. Chances are there's a protocol that we can use. And if not, maybe we know of one we can refer you. I recently referred a patient to a clinic in Florida. She's down there for the winter, and she's having a specialized technique down there. So my philosophy is there's almost always a solution. Sometimes you just have to look in an unusual location for the solution. So ask us, and maybe there's a chance we can help you with something unusual also. So somewhere on the screen, you'll see my number. Give us a call, and we can get you back on the road to recovery. Thanks for listening.